Have you noticed some annoying hard water stains in your dishwasher? Let's dive in and naturally clean that up. Hard water can leave these lime-scale marks on your dishes. But don't worry, we've got a cheap and natural solution. First up, the wonders of citric acid. Just grab some lemon juice from your kitchen. Pour that lemon juice into a bowl that's safe for the dishwasher. Place it on the bottom rack and run a normal cycle. Let the lemon juice work its cleaning magic. If lemon doesn't do the trick, white vinegar is here to help. Add a cup of vinegar to a dishwasher-safe container. Set it on the top rack and let the dishwasher run. The vinegar will naturally break up hard water deposits. Still not satisfied? Baking soda is here to save the day. First, remove the racks and set them aside. Then, spray some hot water all over the inside. Next, sprinkle baking soda in the dishwasher. Give it a good scrub. It's a non-toxic way to get rid of those stains. Finally, run a normal cycle to rinse out the grime and baking soda. Let's not forget the heating element. It needs some attention too. Use some lemon juice and a toothbrush to clean it gently. It'll shine in no time. There you have it. A clean, non-toxic, and budget-friendly way to descale and clean your dishwasher naturally.